Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked at the IRS for a decade. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been doing this, God, for the last 53 years. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I want to tell you, filing back tax returns. If you're listening to this because you haven't filed your back tax returns, I know how scary it is, and this is only going to last 3 minutes. What I'm trying to tell you is stop being fearful of filing your tax returns. Nothing is going to happen to you. As an agent, I used to summons, have people come in my office. I did seizures, levied bank accounts, take homes. I did everything you could possibly do as an IRS agent. Today, I represent people. The biggest myth is that IRS is going to do something to you if you haven't filed your back tax returns. The reality is they may do this in 3 cases, 4, 5, 6 cases a year. The person listening to this, IRS is going to do nothing to you. All they want you to do is get back in the system. I can tell you this truthfully as a former agent and being in practice. IRS just wants you to file. You have to stop living in this fear. At some point in time, you're going to get a summons to appear in the IRS office. You don't want that. There's just fear and this angst and this anxiety of not filing. It's so easy to get back in the system. You just find someone, us, whoever you want, just file your last 6 years' returns. So now you're thinking, oh my God, I don't have records. I know that. Most people who we prepare a lot of returns for people just like you. 90% don't have any records. It's okay. There's tax reconstructive methods to file your returns. Most of the people who are listening are self-employed. That's fine. You go ahead and you file your returns, and we simply work out an agreement with IRS to go ahead and settle your taxes. Stop getting caught up in the fear, the angst, and the worry. Just get your returns filed, and it's not that tough. If you don't have any records, it's so easy to do tax reconstruction. Give me a call. I'll explain the process, but please stop the fear and worry. Give me a subscription. Thank you.